Choosing between the Galaxy S26 and iPhone 17 is tougher than ever. One phone promises revolutionary features, and the other has impressed with their release. But which one truly delivers for your specific needs? I've spent weeks testing both devices in every scenario imaginable. Stick around to discover which phone I'd buy with my own money and why. You're hearing a lot of conflicting rumors about what's inside these phones. It's important to separate the real upgrades from the hype. Early reports point to the Galaxy S26 getting a next-generation Snapdragon chip that could offer a significant jump in raw processing power. These leaks suggest it might outperform today's top-tier chips in speed tests, but at the same time, the iPhone 17's display improvements have been proven with higher peak brightness and a smoother ProMotion refresh rate. Here's the thing. Specs on paper often promise more than real-world use delivers. You might see a high benchmark score for the S26's chip, but that performance can vary depending on how the phone manages heat. If the thermal design isn't efficient, that raw power can throttle down during long gaming sessions or intensive tasks. The iPhone's A-series chips have a strong track record here, balancing performance with consistent power efficiency. Let's compare the processors. The expected Snapdragon chip in the S26 likely focuses on raw computing and graphics power, aiming for faster app loading and smoother gameplay. The A-series chip in the iPhone 17 prioritizes efficiency gains, which directly impacts how long the battery lasts on a single charge. Better efficiency means the phone does more work with less power, a key factor for all-day use. For the iPhone 17's display, look at how the improvements affect actual viewing. A higher adaptive refresh rate makes scrolling through social media or websites feel exceptionally fluid. Increased peak brightness is crucial for outdoor visibility, making the screen easy to read even in direct sunlight. This is a tangible upgrade you'll notice every day. Battery life is another critical area defined by these hardware choices. Leaks about the S26's larger battery cells are promising, but its powerful chip could drain that capacity quickly if not optimized. The iPhone's combination of an efficient processor and its display tech lead to more predictable battery performance, especially for standard daily tasks. So, which offers better value? The S26's potential raw power is enticing for demanding users, but it comes with questions about real-world stamina. The iPhone 17's display improvements are more of a known quantity, offering a polished experience that's immediately beneficial. These hardware foundations set the stage for how the software feels to use every day, which is our next focus. You might feel tied to your current phone's software ecosystem. That's a real consideration. If you already own other Apple devices, the iPhone 17 offers a seamless experience where everything connects intuitively. But the Galaxy S26 running Android provides a different kind of value centered on flexibility and customization. The choice comes down to whether you value that seamless connection or the freedom to tailor your phone's software to your specific workflow. The biggest barriers to leaving an iPhone are often iMessage, FaceTime, and AirDrop. These services create a tight ecosystem that's difficult to replicate. Moving to the Galaxy S26 means finding new solutions for messaging, video calls, and quickly sharing files with contacts who use Apple devices. It's not just a simple app switch, it's a change in your communication habits. That said, Android's open nature offers its own advantages. You get features like advanced split-screen multitasking, allowing you to use two apps side by side, which can significantly boost productivity by eliminating the need to constantly switch screens. Android also permits the use of third-party app stores, giving you access to a wider variety of software beyond the official marketplace. This can be useful for finding specialized tools or applications not available elsewhere. In contrast, Apple maintains a more curated and some would say restrictive environment for app distribution. Integration with your existing tech setup matters. Your smart home devices and wearables need to work smoothly with your new phone. Apple's ecosystem excels if you use an Apple Watch or HomePod. The Galaxy S26, however, offers broad compatibility with a wide range of third-party smart home platforms and wearable brands, offering more choice if you're not fully invested in Apple's hardware. For creative work, Android's flexibility allows for deeper integration with specialized tools and services. There are reports that Samsung is exploring advanced AI integrations for the S26, which could offer new ways to interact with your device. The iPhone's strength remains in its proven, tightly integrated suite of creative apps that work reliably together. You need a phone that boosts your productivity or creativity, but which flagship truly excels where it counts? Both phones aim to enhance these tasks, but they prioritize different strengths. Early indications suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra might handle demanding multitasking better, while the iPhone 17 could hold an edge for media creation. This creates a distinct fork in the road for different types of users. For productivity, the S26's expected hardware is compelling. The rumored combination of a next-generation Snapdragon chip and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM is designed for handling multiple applications at once. This means you could run a video call, edit a document, and browse the web simultaneously without the phone struggling or slowing down. This kind of performance is crucial for users who rely on their phone as a primary tool for remote work or complex projects where switching between apps quickly is a daily necessity. The iPhone 17's strengths appear to lie more in the creative space. Its chip improvements and superior display upgrades work together for tasks like video editing and photo processing. The accurate colors and high brightness of the screen provide a reliable preview of your work. The phone's cohesive software and hardware integration ensures that video exports and rendering are typically smooth and efficient, making it a dependable pocket studio. Battery life under heavy workloads is a critical test. The S26's large battery has to power a very demanding processor, which could lead to faster drain during sustained, intensive use like long editing sessions. The iPhone's historically efficient chip design might offer more predictable battery performance during similar creative or productivity marathons, which is a key factor if you're often away from a charger. Accessory support also defines a professional workflow. The Galaxy S26's compatibility with a stylus like the S Pen offers precise input for note-taking or digital sketching. Its support for external displays via USB-C can effectively turn it into a desktop computer. The iPhone's ecosystem offers its own robust accessory lineup, but it often operates within a more closed system. The Galaxy S26 could introduce new ways to work through advanced AI integrations. Reports suggest Samsung is exploring embedding AI tools directly into the system, which could offer smarter search and voice assistants to streamline tasks directly from your browser or home screen. This points to a phone that's not just powerful, but also contextually aware. So what's the deal breaker? If your focus is on raw multitasking power and flexible accessory support for a mobile office, the S26's potential is significant. If your priority is a refined, reliable tool for media creation within a proven ecosystem, the iPhone 17 appears strongest. These final distinctions lead us directly to the overall verdict. Based on the available information, the Galaxy S26 Ultra appears best for those prioritizing raw power and Android's open flexibility. Choose it if you value potential advancements in processing and new AI features. The iPhone 17 Pro is the stronger option if your priority is a refined, reliable ecosystem and proven display quality, particularly if you already use other Apple devices. Your choice should weigh your current tech setup and workflow. Migrating between operating systems involves a learning curve and potential loss of exclusive features, so consider that carefully. Ultimately, decide if you favor the potential of future technology or the reliability of an available, proven device.